What happens when you soak a skateboard in bleach for 24 hours?
This is science, Dan. Ooh.
This is like the biggest surprise of the year. Now you gotta watch out, Dan. Hey you guys, we're here today.
Hang on, I'm not ready, brother.
Hey you guys, we're here today for another skate experiment. We have a full complete skateboard, a little bin, and 7 gallons of bleach. And you may be thinking,
how'd you walk out of the store with 7 gallons of bleach? Did you self-check out?
I did.
I actually hate the smell of bleach, but
I don't even know what bleach smells like. Hold up, don't open that yet. I'm not ready. I haven't been
cranking
able
it
to run
open,
away
brother.
yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this complete skateboard in here. And then we are going to fill this in with bleach, let it soak for 24 hours and see what happens to the skateboard in 24 hours. And then we are gonna skate the bleached skateboard. Before we do that,
Any
Fetty,
predictions?
would you like to make any predictions? Anyone? Dan.
I think it's gonna melt through the ground to the middle of the earth.
I think,
The train is right. Fetty, what do you think is gonna happen?
I think it's gonna like break really fast.
The board?
Yeah, it's gonna be super weak.
I could see that. My prediction is that it's gonna like eat
gonna,
the
like,
plastic.
It's gonna delam.
For real, I think it's gonna happen. I think the board's gonna turn white. I think the bushings are gonna melt. I think the wheels might melt.
I think the bearings are gonna be like the best bearings we have though.
Uzi, you have your glasses so you can begin pouring. I'm gonna go to safety.
What?
Stand back.
I just want to pour it all in the middle.
Wait, why is it yellow?
My pants are gonna be spotted white.
That's only 2 gallons? Oh, we got more than enough.
Smells good.
Hey, we're pouring it out for the boys.
Wow, look at that. Oh wow, I can smell that. All right, so it is 10 o'clock a.m. on Thursday, July 18th.
Oh, this fly just ate some bleach.
Tomorrow, Friday the 19th at 10 o'clock, we will open this and show you guys what we found. But before we cut to that part, we want you guys to leave your comments, your guesses, your predictions right down there. Your
Make my hands
scientific hypotheses. Let us know what you think is gonna happen. All right, we got the safety on. We got the safety, we got the gloves, we got the glasses. Last night moving this thing in here, I freaking bleached my favorite pants.
Roll up your sleeves first, but have Dan roll them up. You might have touched them already.
So it's Braille Army sleeves, brother. All right, we need to keep it very stable. It's heavy. Why is it so heavy?
I even got my shoes off so I don't get bleach on my shoes. Slow and steady wins the race. Hopefully I don't step on like the sharpest rock right now. Oh yeah, brother.
Why couldn't we have done that yesterday? Okay, so it is once again 10 a.m. This has been in here for 24 hours. Careful with that. We're gonna open the lid and analyze the scientific pattern that bleach has on a skateboard.
The lid. Ooh. Ooh.
All right, let's see what happened here.
How does it feel?
Soft.
What is all that stuff on there?
I feel like I just cleaned it.
It looks like it
The graphic.
ate away at the trucks and bushings.
Alright, should I pull it out?
I guess so.
If this isn't the most waterlogged thing, should we just keep it in the sun then?
Okay.
I'm kind of scared of it.
Look at the bottom of the wheels that were actually in the bleach. Whoa, whoa.
Yo, you can like feel every layer.
You can't turn the bearings anymore, look. Oh, there you go, you just had to loosen them up a little bit.
Look at the truck.
Whoa!
It definitely did eat at
Oh,
the truck.
it's super soft. Oh,
I feel like we could just
it's
peel
like
each-
jelly. It's wood jelly.
Peel each
Oh,
layer
what
off.
the heck, dude? What happened? Look at this.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh, it's like endoplasmic reticulum.
Ectoplasm, brother.
It's the powerhouse of the cell.
No, look at the truck though. It like ate away at it.
You can see the line of the truck where it ate away from the polish. What the heck, dude?
The grip tape is smooth and soft to the touch. That's so gross.
Or is that just the glue?
I don't know what it is, to be honest,
I don't
Dan.
know what it is, but it's gross.
All right, well, we need to let this dry so then we can actually safely skate it. Look at my hand, Dan.
Ecto-
What is this?
Ectoplasm, brother.
Dude, I cannot believe the ply split like that.
I told
That's
you,
insane.
I called that one.
You called the D-Lamb? Are you a physicist?
I was pretty good at PE.
All right, well, we're gonna let this dry
Here.
so we can actually pop tricks and not have bleach fly into our eyeballs. It is now 4 o'clock the same day. 6 hours later, we wanted to.
It's actually 4:18.
Wow.
We wanted to let the board completely dry out so we didn't have to worry about any actual
Aw,
bleach in there. Is it still in there or is it dry?
It feels like there's like sand on it. Dude.
So I think we should
If
give
you're-
a more detailed rundown now that it is
If you're wondering
dry.
about my pants, the pants I had on, I fully bleached them.
So real quick, Dan, I want you to just put the mic close to this and just.
That's pop.
That pop.
There's basically zero pop. I think the board is fully cracking under my feet as I step on it.
Yeah, I think it fully de-lamed on the inside.
Yeah.
And watch these bearings.
There's so much science that took place here that I don't fully understand. But the first thing I want to do is get some safety glasses.
Oh, it's thin. It's like paper. Look at feel that. It's like paper. It is paper.
Wow, it just rips off.
You know, paper is made out of wood, and skateboards are made out of paper. So, paper.
Therefore, they are one and the same.
Okay, trees make paper. Trees make skateboards. So, by the transitive property, skateboards are paper. You think if I just drop it right here, it'll just break? I'm just kind of scared. Oh!
So, let's pick up this board. If you look at the trucks, it doesn't look like there was any significant damage to the wheels.
Bearings for sure.
Bearings, definitely, they barely even roll anymore.
Oh, it's like a Walmart board now.
If you turn it over, the bearings are completely rusted on the inside. And just look at the board. The actual board has lost a lot of layers, and the graphic right here is actually just able to chip off.
Yep.
Also, did anyone else remember that this was like a completely different color when we put it in? It's lost a ton of color.
What color was it?
There was red and orange in there. The bushings, believe it or not, they look fine. The bushings look fine. The grip tape also looks fine. The hardware has rusted. Once again, just look at the delamination of this skateboard, Dan.
Question is, who do you think is gonna break it?
How long do you think it lasts?
Lucy.
I think it's gonna last not long at all.
I
I think it'll last on flat ground pretty long, but if you take it on any obstacles, I think it's done.
I think it's gonna snap trying to pop.
Well, would you guys like to Rochambeau to see who tries it out first? Carlos first.
It's better on the
Bring it over there for us, Gabe.
Even like that.
Oh,
A little distance right there. If it snaps on me, I swear.
That sounds good.
Okay,
How's it feel, Carlos?
No pop.
try it.
I don't know if I want to try it. I don't want to be responsible
Wait, let
breaking.
me ride it. I'm not gonna
Just
pop.
give it a push.
I don't want to pop because I feel like if I do anything on this, I'll break.
Yeah.
You know what? It doesn't feel too bad. It's very loose, but it doesn't feel that bad. It just doesn't roll fast.
From my scientific understanding, it seems as if the chemical balance and makeup of the bushings have loosened, and they've become the loosest trucks in the world somehow.
It sounds like the rainforest. The bushings are actually really nice. Should we skate the mini ramp?
yeah, go.
Sounds like a squirrel. Not driving.
I didn't think it was gonna break until the 5's there. The funny thing about it is that in its weakened state, I feel like it's still a great deal stronger than like a Kryptonics board.
It just takes a lot more effort.
I really hope this is locked in place.
Let's try out here.
Yesterday, I asked you guys to leave a comment on what you thought would occur to the board after spending 24 hours in the bleach. Were you right? Leave another comment right now as to whether you were right and what you're surprised about. Or whether you were, you knew all along. I don't know. I didn't know.
It's really weird. I changed my mind. I don't like it.
Oh! Dude, you have to like power through it every single time.
All right, let me get a kickflip.
I am nearly 5,000% sure that this kickflip is gonna break it. Whoa! What the fork? This is the worst. was good. What in the world?
Yo, slacks might be the new wave of skating, to be honest.
Fetty's like, screw this, I want it dead. Hey, look, here it is.
You know, the bearings are actually getting better.
That was a dang good kickflip, man. Oh! Okay, sorry. No! Wait, sorry, I'm not supposed to be screaming.
Hey, nice to meet you.
You know what I was thinking? Like, you know when someone's crazy and like you say they have a screw loose? Carlos has a truck loose.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, he almost.
I literally kicked it out of the midair to save your life.
I don't know. It seems like you kicked
Body.
it into his life.
Man, I'm really slacking. Well, you have him here. Right here, Dan.
I thought that we could read some of the reviews of Bleach on Amazon. You ready for a few? Fetty, I'm gonna read a review and then you go, okay? It's Outdoor Wanderer said 5 stars. It's Bleach. Thank you. Now you're good, Fetty. Richard Purr says 5 stars. The Bleach works. I use Bleach for my white clothes. CLOSE.
I got bleach on my shoe.
Hey, damage report. I think I chipped some of the grip off.
Impossible.
Oh yeah. You guys have been skating it now. Has not broken yet. How does it feel compared to a normal skateboard?
Slower. Definitely a lot looser. Soggy. Like there's no pop realistically, but it's a skateboard.
It's like skating a board
So
that's
now,
been in the rain.
I have a question for you. Would a board soaked in bleach for 24 hours or a board soaked in water for 24 hours be worse?
Find out next time.
We should do that test. I don't have an answer for you.
Would you guys like to see us test board stability in different liquids, like lava?
Orange juice.
Let us know.
It broke it!
Hopefully this goes viral and we get put on Bleach or report.
I'm trying to get sponsored by Clorox.
Alright, full strength of 5. I got bodied.
Absolute
Could have just kickflipped it.
Dude, that was unbelievable. He set the hell out of that. He did a kickflip firecracker. I cannot look at him without black pants. It's disgusting.
Like looking at a peeled watermelon or something.
I'm going so slow. You know what I've learned? The word yeet with that much power literally takes that whole try out of you. Like I'm breathing so hard just because of that yeet.
Oh! Partial body!
If you ever want to know how to tray flip down stuff, it's just this. Damn, looking at you.
Dan, why is your Apple Watch so tight on your wrist?
I don't know.
Brother, that's cutting off your circulation.
I don't want it to fall off.
Right here, and I'll bleach my pants.
Too late.
Already did.
We haven't even done any slide tests.
Oh, he's gonna hit the rail.
I mean, I don't really know what other tests we can put it through skateboarding wise.
That's the braking
Can I
trick.
just tell you what I'd rather you do? I'd rather you yeet it against that wall over there, chip test.
Okay, one more and then I'll give it to Dan them Yeetville.
I think this board is going to be harder to break than we initially
Plot
anticipated.
twist. We figured out how to make your board 100 times stronger.
That's not breaking, Dan.
Last one, partner.
Fetty, you can't break this board.
I want to try to break I'm gonna try. Brother. Dude, this board might actually be like super board.
All right, one more try, and Fetty's yeeting it in the wall. You know what you must do. Be careful, the board might come to the left! What?
I wish.
I'm shook. What is happening right now? It is the world's most indestructible board. It's stronger than Linex.
I like how we're like, it's gonna break on flat ground, and now it's just invincible. Oh, it's fine. There's one crack.
Finally, we got some damage.
Yeah.
You know what I think it is? Cars nowadays break easier, like they're softer than they used to be. They used to be metal. This board is softer than normal, so when it hits the wall, it soaks up all the impact.
I don't even know what to say, Dan. This is like the biggest surprise of the year.
Let me get a wing dang.
Now you gotta watch out, Dan.
It chipped the wall. You see that?
You missed.
It chipped the wall.
Wait, really?
Oh no.
Oh, wait, now we can peel it open and see what happened to the physics.
One more.
Hey, but that's probably the strongest board that we've had, isn't it?
Can I just try this so to break it? See if I have enough strength, if I'm gaining weight. 'Cause
smells
I've been breaking
interesting.
boards a lot lately too, so let's see if this works. Ow.
Best
Dan, would
board.
you like to try?
It's the best board of all time. Want me to try to break it? All right.
Easy.
Oh. It's dead.
So,
Bleach your boards.
I'm gonna subscribe.
it looks like the outer delamination did serve as some form of
Super
force
glue.
impact absorbent, like a layer of foam around the board or something like that. Unbelievable. So you guys may not have been asking, but we definitely asked the question, what happens when you soak a skateboard in bleach for 24 hours? Well,
You get the best board ever.
this is what you get. This is what happens. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And as always, do not try anything you see on this video at home unless you're on a regular skateboard doing kickflips and other tricks downstairs. Just don't play with bleach or any of that stuff. It's dangerous. But you should learn how to skateboard. Absolutely.
Close.
What he said.